Alrighty guys, before this video gets started, just want to shout out Kaden and Barry, supporter of the channel. If you guys want to get a shout out, just comment down below and I'll give you a shout out. So hope you guys enjoy the video and see you later guys.
I might have a fish on it. Nice one. He's in, holy crap. Oh my goodness. Good job. Jeez. Oh my goodness.
There you go.
Huh.
It can happen.
Look, your fish, my fish. Well guys, we got that one. My dad got that one, a 14-inch brown. And then he got that one. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Stop catching so many. Holy crap. PB. Do you think that's the PB?
Probably. That's a big one.
Oh my goodness. That guy might be new, like 12, 15? I don't know.
I'll show
Jeez.
you. Just reel it in and stop and reel it in. And
What is that?
I don't know. 5, 6.
8 for you, 1 for me. No, 7 for you. I don't get it.
What don't you get?
I'm not getting. I got one big, humongous bite.
Okay, well that's a good start.
Got him! Are you gonna get the net?
No, don't. Just flip them up, dude. Don't muck with them.
Oh my goodness!
Nice.
That is a monster brook! Holy crap! That's a brook too, Dad.
Yep. I think you win the record for the biggest.
Oh, look at that. Right in the top of the mouth.
Wow.
Perfect. That little tiny hook worked well. Ha ha ha. Look at that. That's a huge one too.
That is. I think that's the biggest one today.
No, your brown was way bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I leveled up in the brook. Oh, so much for a comeback.
What do you mean?
I was like, okay, I'm gonna see if we can come back because I got 2, but you got another one, so.
There you go, dude. There's something on there. Oh, don't. There you go.
Haha, it worked. This is such a dumb way of. Wow. Here we go.
We're done.
The strategy worked. I can't believe that worked. Okay.
The strategy worked.
Giving the rod to me, then jerking it works. Stringer update. That's what a limit looks like. Holy crap. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that's a big one. Let's go, guys. Holy crap, that is a monster brook. Oh. Best eating fish, mostly in my opinion, ever. That is a nice one. I don't think I can catch up. Dad, I got one.
All right.
What is it? Brown. Keep him?
Sure.
Sure.
Yes. Sorry.
Sure, he's kind of small.
Up to you. You let him go. There you go.
He's kind of small.
Yeah, he's kind of small.
We can do better. We have 2 fish.
Yeah, let's maximize them.
Yeah. That is a lot of fish.
That is a lot of fish.
Holy crap. 1, 4, 6. Yeah, 12. That's the biggest one.
That is.
That is a nice brown trout too.
That is.
Jeez, look at that. That is amazing.
That was like the first one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so too.
We have room. Had one? There we go. Dad. That's a keeper.
Yeah,
That's the good one.
That's a nice one.
Why did I turn off my camera too? That's so funny.
Bad timing.
That's a nice one.
That is a very nice one.
Go guys. Whoa! You cast it out. Then
You set the
you
hook.
set the hook. Then I gave it back to you, and you fought it, and then I netted it.
Yep.
So technically, we did it. We did. It was all fish.
Yes.
I think we're gonna have to keep that one now. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all of that. Watching the whole thing through is better than you liking and subscribing. That's a nice fish. 14 fish limit. That's a fat one too. But yeah, peace.